Alright, I don't know how much I filmed on this machine, but I did already take it apart. I had to get the heat element out of it for another machine, but there we go. This is the Samsung. I already took it apart a couple times. This came from a customer's house. I went and diagnosed this one. And I don't know if this one made it to the internet or not, because it has a specific interesting problem. Looks like I'm missing some screws, which I got some. So I stripped down one of these for to take to the scrapyard. So now I've got this one. It needs a wire harness. So what I did is I think I have the wire I need here. So now I don't know if this is gonna work. Listen, there's risk in everything. Don't do what I do. I'll say it over and over again. Don't do this. Get somebody else to do this. There's that. Pull the drum off. Put that over there. Okay, so here's what we got. We got the wire fry here. And I think the motor's good. So we have red and a red, a green and a green, the yellow and the yellow, a brown and a brown. This black is smaller on this one, and then the red again. Looks like all the wires are the same color except for, or same size except for the black. The black is bigger on the donor harness, so that's actually better, right? I'll just cut it here. Okay, we'll cut it back to there. Pull this off here. Pull this off so it gives us some room. Alright. Give me some room to work here. Yeah, don't do this. Okay. I'm special. Alright. And that means that I can do stuff that you can't do. That's what that means. And alright, I don't want to show you what I'm doing here because it's a dark lost art of repair passed down from generation to generation. It's kind of like alchemy. The secrets that are shown here are so deep-seated. If I did show you, I'd have to constantly be looking over my shoulder to see if like some three-letter agency was after me or something like that. But anyways, yeah, so don't do this. And if you do, make sure you unplug the machine.
Alright. So I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but when I found this machine, this was like a little bit unplugged, and I think that's why it burned. I think somebody unplugged it at some point and didn't plug it back in. I think that's what happened. So, okay, we got those back. Let's get this one back in here. And then what? That one goes there. Alright, you guys think this is gonna work? What are the odds? Anybody gonna do an over under here or what? Let's put the heat element on. So we're gonna go to there and to there, right? Then what? From blue to from there to there, and from there to there, right? Then we're gonna take a little bit of black tape. We're gonna re-tape it. Okay, retape the other one. Guess that one's done. This one came off too. Usually these ones don't come off. Maybe I didn't put it on there very good. Okay, so there we go. We got all that. We got that. We got that, all that. All right, there we go. Let's see. We got rid of that. I got a bunch of screws. Man, I did not feel good today. I got a headache. I haven't drank in years, and I feel hungover. What's up with that? Get the hangover without the fun of drinking? Whatever. Oh, there's all the screws. Forgot the spring is back there. It came off because I transported this thing without the belt on. I can't remember which way this thing goes, but if you do it wrong, if you do it wrong, it might make noises. Okay, thing, whatever this is. We'll throw all this in here, put some screws back in it, and go back together. This old Samsung. Yeah, and I don't know why these bearings are white either. I don't know what they are there. I don't know if they're good or not. Something that the dude probably bought off Amazon or whatever. I don't know. Okay, plug in the sensor bars here, because we want those. Now we would put the front on, but instead let's do this. Don't do this, but let's hook a switch up here. So I got it plugged in. Well, what do we want? Time dry. Time dry. High heat. Sounds pretty good. We're spinning here. No heat. I forgot to check the. Forgot to check my no heat. Well, the high limit's good. Oh, the heat element's not good. I thought I checked it. Apparently I didn't check it. The heat element is not good. Alright, round two, I guess. Alright, round two. Will it heat? Power. I put it back together, by the way, off camera. Time dry. High heat. Got to plug the sensor bars back in, but it's heating up now. We're heating up. So, yeah. Plug that back in, put the front back on, and oh yeah, I stole this. Well, I just happen to have one right here. This was the machine that I stole this thing off of. Replaced that broken one. Well, here's your video on how you change this door lock switch. First you take the other one out. You take this little clip off. Yeah, don't work on your machines while they're plugged in either. And then you just plop that one back in there. Slam the door. Then you take this little clip and you clip it around that little guy there. Anybody has a story on this clip, comment below. Are you guys seeing these? Do yours look like that when you get them on your Samsungs? let me know, because seems weird to me. I keep putting it back like that, and I keep getting them like that, but I don't know if that's somebody around here that's doing that or what. Did that come from Samsung? Okay, plugged it in. It thought I closed the door. So now, whoa. I got a bunch of extra ones. Okay, let's see. All right, let's put these back in here. Plop it down, then we'll put in these other screws that we got here, 3 of them in the front here. Yeah, I know. And then we'll test it and be done. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna blur out what I did there or what. You just have to use your imagination, but there's what I did on this one. It's a heat element change. That's what I'll edit it as. I won't talk about all that other stuff I did in there. Don't do this. But please write what you think about this in the comments, and let me know. Do you get the little clip on your Samsung door switches? Yeah, well, thanks for watching, and comment and subscribe. Bye.